Jordan, who is this? This was Baby Jayy with 2 Y's. Jordan, are you a fan of Baby Jayy?
I am now.
Okay, well, let's give this song a listen here. What is he doing? That was good. I like that.
I like how trap music is in this pop punk phase.
Well, no, the guy, like, he's trying to. This is Lil Yachty without the auto tune. Like, you take the auto tune off Lil Yachty, it just sounds like this.
Yeah. It's trying to sound like Trippie Redd, but it looks like Lil Yachty.
Well, no, he's trying to do like the no auto tune stuff, and he's trying to sing in falsetto, but he's like not trained to do it, so it sounds like this. I made it out of the rain. I swear we are not the same. Have a million in my bank. Remember? Yeah.
This right here is a banger.
Oh my god, I didn't expect that rap. Holy shit.
Holy shit.
This is 50% likes, 50% dislikes on World Star Hip Hop right now.
That's about right.
Hey.
Let's see.
So I got this shit too soon. I remember thousand on my wrist and my diamonds wetter than a pool. Niggas be fool, but let that boy play with my money. This time bro him like a flu.
You can tell he's just like not. You can tell.
He's in a room. You can tell he got like a laptop mic.
Yeah, well.
Spent about 200,000 on my wrist and my diamonds wetter than a pool. Niggas be fool, but let that boy play with my money. This time bro him like a flu. Rah rah. Rah rah. I swear we are not the same. I swear we are not the same. I am my mom and my dad.
No, he sounds like Carl from Jimmy Neutron. It sounds like Erwin from fucking Billy and Mandy.
Oh, it's Erwin from Billy and Mandy, yeah. Yeah. This guy's badass.
But always keep my gun with me.
Wearing a dog chain on his neck.
Nigga said, just put some reverb on it. It's alright.
Let's go back to the beginning. I like the beginning. Dude, Christina Aguilera should have had this guy on her fucking album, not fucking Ty Dolla $ign or 2 Chainz. Is 2 Chainz dad rap now? Is he officially dad rap? What's going on with that?
Shit, no. Almost.
There's a TV show on Vice, and he just eats expensive food.
2 Chainz, he seems like a guy where you don't really like follow him for the music. You just follow him for his like image, just like Lil Wayne, just like Snoop Dogg. It feels like he's entered that phase.
I like Lil Wayne's music. I don't know.
No, I mean, yeah, but here's the thing: like, are you actively looking for new Lil Wayne releases?
Does he even make anything?
Well, that's my fucking point. Of course, they all had songs that people liked at one point. I'm saying that now.
I can't name a single Snoop Dogg song that I like.
Okay, well.
Damn. I feel offended.
I like this. This is better than Snoop Dogg.
You sound like a drunk Donna Summers.
Snoop Dogg?
Drunk karaoke.
I swear to God, like I made a song like this when I was like 13. Who gets smoked? He's singing with a yawn. Like that's what it is. I listen to that again. Yeah.
It's a cartoon character. Cool.
Let's go back to this rap.
Yes, I got the heart of a lion. Fuck with me, you die.
Yeah.
This guy was probably like the weird guy in school. This had to have been the weird guy in school.
He had some thick ass glasses. He did all schoolwork.
His mic is like clearly peaking. That's also pretty funny. Why does my room smell like a hungry man? What the fuck?
Are you hungry?
There's a
Are
hungry
you a
man. in it.
man?
No, I'm not hungry at all, actually. Like, that's why this is weird. I gotta go back out.
I'm not hungry at all.
Okay, all right. I'm being made fun of, and I don't like it.
He's getting bullied.
I'm getting bullied. Yeah, okay. You know, it goes around, comes around. I guess this is what I get for being mean to Kamyar and our last caller. It's tough.
Yeah, karma's real. It exists, right?
No.
Actually, yeah, it doesn't. You're
Karma doesn't exist?
Dude,
what?
the Aguilaran religion is more valid than karma. That's what's badass. Yeah, call in. If you want to be converted to the Aguilaran religion, I'll convert you live on the air. Don't worry. We are not the same. I don't even know my name. So much millions in my bank. Dude, the flow is so easy. And there's lots of pauses, so you can like think of like words really. You can just like you can off the dome the entire thing. It's so good.
Billy, yeah, right.
I watch Billy and D. I like all that candy. I like candy.
Oh shit! I wish I wasn't sick.
Watch somebody cover this, though.
It kind of
Gonna be
grows
sick.
on you low key. That's what somebody said.
That's how you know it's
Yeah.
shit.
It's low-key fire, fam.
Mickey Mouse sounding ass. Here we go.
That's what it was. I was trying to think of something.
Mickey, Donald Duck, he's my friend. Yeah.
He's religious, yeah.
We gotta talk to Baby Jayy, dude. Dude, the problem with a lot of like the mixtape like rapper like World Star guys is like they might not have that much momentum, but like the community of like them looking at how like Uzi Vert or like someone who's like made it operates is like they always think they're too good for interviews like all the time. Like they won't talk to anyone unless they're like have millions and millions of more hits. It's really funny, and that like sort of fucks them over.
Just let me know what you think in the comments below, okay?